Okay, so recently I had an issue when I started editing a video in Final Cut Pro, and then I tried to retrieve some media from an external drive and it couldn't find any files inside of there. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix that, how I found out how to fix that. So let's take a look. Now, as I'm starting out in video editing, learning the different ways to shoot videos and lighting and all of that and editing videos, I'm gonna use this series as kind of like a log to identify some of the problems that I've had to troubleshoot, and that way I'm not spending a lot of time recreating or reanalyzing the issues that I go through. Maybe this can also help you as well. And again, these are just things that I've learned along the way. There could be other ways, and if there are better ways to do it, I'd like to hear about that in the comments below, and thank you in advance. So when I was doing this, I was trying to get some files out of this external drive. It's an external SSD drive. I'm making a video out of that, and so I thought that it was this, so I tried other flash drives and I had the same results. I recently upgraded to Sequoia. I'm not sure if that had anything to do with it, but it was just recently that this started happening for me. So let's try this out. So I'm going to plug this into my computer. Right now I have Final Cut Pro open. Okay, so let me just show you this. So this is my Finder, and right now I have all this media in here that I want to put into Final Cut Pro. Alright, so let's go into Final Cut Pro, and I'm just going to import media, and as you can see, it's not reading anything in there. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go into the system settings, and let me just show you this. I'm going to go down to privacy and security, and then go to full disk access. So in here you see Final Cut Pro, full disk access is turned off for this. So what I'm going to do is turn it on. It's going to request password, okay, and then I have to close and reopen Final Cut Pro. Okay, so Final Cut Pro closed and reopened, and we will try it again. And now I can see the contents of it. Okay, so I don't know why it's doing. I don't know if Apple is increasing security, and when I updated it, it caused this issue. I've been trying to look that up, and people have different reasons for it. So if you are having issues with looking at your external drive, importing your media, even though you can see it in the Finder, try this out and maybe it'll work. Okay, until next time, aloha.